Good morning. I wanted to share with you my morning practice type of meditation that I do, box breathing. So Paul and I do this every morning, and it's a great way to reduce stress, lower your cortisol levels, and really be present, be in the moment. So that's why, for me personally, it's a type of meditation. It's a great way to reduce stress. You've got stress in your life, or dealing with pain, any kind of pain, physical pain, emotional pain. So it goes in a box like this. It's pretty easy to follow. So with the music we're doing, the song, we love this song. It's called I Am the Light by Zen the Beat. It's got the perfect tempo for us. I recommend it. So we're gonna start with 4 inhale, 4 seconds of holding, 4 seconds of exhale, and then repeat that. So you go inhale, hold for 4, exhale, hold for 4. And then we're gonna do it for an 8 count. Inhale for 8 count, hold for 8 count, exhale for 8 count, hold for 8 count. So it's a box. And Paul is gonna be doing hands in and out. So spread the fingers a little bit wider so we can see it on the camera. Can you do this way? Yeah, that way we can see it on the camera. So pretty easy to follow. I like to go in through my nose and exhale out of my mouth, so you can explore different variations of that for yourself. Pretty easy to follow, and once you get used to it, some stuff might come up the first time you do it, so just acknowledge that, take a pause, and come back to it. I like to sit on like a yoga block or a yoga cushion. We have a throne for Paul. So these are Royal Lahaina here. All right, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna get into a comfortable position. I'm gonna face the camera. Paul's gonna be giving us our cues.